Hi everybody, it's Jessica the Dollhouse Curator and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So today y'all, we are setting up our 2025 dollhouse. So I have stripped the Curated Dollhouse down to bare minimum and we are starting with putting in some flooring for our new 2025 dollhouse. So y'all, I got this shelf paper from my local Dollar General. It is 12 inches wide and 60 inches long. So that worked out really good for my doll space. And it just so happened to fit really nice in here. So I'm very excited to be using this as a floor for this year. And I'm going to be super excited when I get a chance and my budget resets and I get off of my no spend couple of months, because I will definitely be getting more of this cabinet paper to be flooring for my dollhouse because it was super easy to fit in and I love it. Next, y'all, I'm putting in my walls. So for the Curated Dollhouse, my husband built this for me to be able to fit 5 16 by 20 canvas that I get from the Dollar Tree. And we painted these using leftover paint that we had from painting our house. And it was super easy to put up, y'all. Once he built it, I can just yank them out, put in a different one. They fit in really good. And he built it to fit 2 on each side to create the side walls, and then 3 for the back wall, so that the space looks really nice and complete. So y'all, in using this flooring, it worked out really good. I had to do 1 cut on this flooring to make it fit in my dollhouse and fit how it's supposed to. So I just cut the very edge of this paper so that way my wall could slide in and out how it's supposed to. But that is the only trimming that I did on this floor, and I think it turned out really nice in the space, and I absolutely love it. And again, can't wait to get more. So now that we have our essentials in, y'all, our floor and our walls, the next thing that I'm going to be adding in is the new kitchen that my husband built me. So y'all, I absolutely love this kitchen. We have some ideas on upgrades we're going to be doing, but he built this kitchen to have storage at the top as well as to have storage at the bottom. So yes, it looks like a simple facade, but when he built that area in where I could put storage, I thought it was great. And not only did he do that, y'all, he also put lights in so that I have under cabinet lights in this kitchen that hook into my actual dollhouse lights. I absolutely love this. It turned out great. The next thing that we're adding in, y'all, is going to be our refrigerator. So I am using the refrigerator that I got from my Modern Kitchen playset. I love that playset. It comes with 5 different pieces. Everything is functional on the item, so it fits really good. And for the refrigerator, I did add just a little bit of wood pieces on the white plastic so it fits in a little bit better with my kitchen, but I think it turned out really nice. Next up, y'all, I want to put in not an island, but like a little sidebar seating area. And I'm deciding to put it on this side so it doesn't interrupt where I want to stuff I want to do on this close side to where the camera is. And for this, I just used 2 wooden boxes that I got from somewhere. They come with little drawers. So that box I just put up there are the drawers that fit into those. I believe I got them at a flea market for like $2 or $3, but I use them for all kind of stuff. They're very versatile. And I think it looks really nice with all of the rest of the wood. And then now, y'all, we are getting to my favorite furniture that he made. Actually, didn't I say the kitchen was my favorite? Well, yeah, but then the living room was my favorite too. So he made me a couch and coffee table and 2 really nice little chairs to go with this set. He did an amazing job. I absolutely love it. And I used sponges to actually create the couch cushions, and it turned out really nice. So next up, y'all, I am going to be adding in my dining room table that he made me. It is bistro style height. He did a great job on making those chairs, and they are really tall. And I wanted tall chairs for my dolls, for my table, so that it would look really clean in the dollhouse and give it some height, y'all, because a lot of the Barbie furniture that I have, I've realized they don't fit my guy dolls really well. They fit even worse with my buff Ken dolls. So I wanted something that would kind of transition from guy doll to girl doll and still give everybody the ability to look decent. Now I'm just adding in a few additional knickknacks, y'all. So I have all of these little desk organizers from the Dollar Tree. I have them in black and gray, and I love using these as bookshelves or other little knickknack shelves. And for the middle of the shelf, I usually just take me a little piece of cardboard or foam board to create any new shelves that I need so that I can get the amount that I want. And I'm also going to say, y'all can see it here, I ordered new lights for my dollhouse. So my curated dollhouse already has functioning lights that are plug-inable, so I can leave them on, turn them off with the remote. It's really nice. But I did need something else, y'all, so I can get some spotlight and highlights in areas that I don't have all of my lights in. So we bought those, and I got 2 of them. They were $10 a piece, and they have worked out great to be able to work with the lighting in my dollhouse. And the last thing y'all just saw me put in was a desk that he made me. I absolutely love it. So that chair doesn't really fit. It actually fits with one of the smaller chairs here in the living room. But I think for the space, it looked pretty good over there. And that kept the taller chairs on that side and kept my full couch and 2-chair area over here looking nice. And as y'all see, I can move my lights around. That gave great light over in the living room area with Miss Brooklyn there. And I absolutely love how this space has turned out. So y'all, we went from a straight blank slate all the way up to this adorable curated dollhouse that I put together with all of this new furniture that my husband has made me for Christmas. Again, he did an absolute amazing job, and I think it turned out wonderful. And I am so excited to get started in the curated dollhouse this year because we have some big ideas coming up, including some additional storage stuff that we are working on that we'll have a video out in just a little while. Until next time, this is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. We'll be back another day with another video. Bye, y'all.